This is mellow. Turn mellow on by pressing and holding the smaller power button. You can select different breathing patterns by moving the slider between positions 1, 2, and 3. When the light rings expand outwards, you breathe in. And then, as the light rings contract to the center, you breathe out. Start with the simplest breathing pattern, 4 seconds in and 4 seconds out. Then you can work your way up to the more advanced 4-7-8 pattern. Users have a choice between the lighting function, the haptic feedback, or both to help you keep timing and rhythm during breathing exercises. You can choose between these modes by pressing the longer button. Charging is easy. Just place the product on the wireless charger or plug into the USB-C port. Using Mellow is that simple, so that you can spend more time finding your place of inner calm and giving you a helping hand when you need it.
Monitoring your health shouldn't hinder your active lifestyle.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
The Breather is the first drug-free, evidence-based respiratory muscle training device designed to serve patients with COPD, CHF, dysphagia, stroke, hypertension, Parkinson's, and neuromuscular disease. Its purpose for use is to improve respiratory muscle weakness, dyspnea, quality of life, and speech and swallow performance. The first breather was invented by therapist Peggy Nicholson in 1980 and has been prescribed to over 1 million patients. This new model builds on the success of the original and strives to further meet the needs of patients worldwide. The body was redesigned to accommodate patients with poor hand strength. The inspiratory and expiratory dials work independently of each other and now range from a negative 50 centimeters to a positive 55 centimeters of water pressure. The mouthpiece provides a superior seal for patients with a weak mouth grip. It now comes with a 15 millimeter to 22 millimeter adapter. And most importantly, patient compliance is high because they feel quality of life improvements within days. Evidence-based results of respiratory muscle training with a device such as the Breather include increased MIP-MAP, improved oxygen saturation, reduced hyperinflation, improved laryngeal function for speech and swallowing, and improved delivery and distribution of inhaled medication. All this leads to faster weaning from mechanical ventilation, shorter length of stay, and lowered probability of hospital readmissions.
Introducing the iHealth No Contact Thermometer. Measure your temperature instantly. You'll see results in just 1 second. The infrared sensor collects more than 100 data points, getting accurate results every time, so you can feel confident when you're keeping a close eye on a kid with a fever. You can check your child's temperature without having to touch their skin. No more worrying about spreading germs around your house, and no loud beeping sounds that could wake a sleeping child. A sleek, one-button design makes taking a temperature simple. Just hold the button until you feel a gentle vibration. The LED screen displays the reading in bright white light, so you can clearly see it, even in total darkness. Just hold, aim, and measure. That's how easy it is to take a temperature with a no-contact thermometer from iHealth.
This is Maria. This high-quality Homedic sound spa helps Maria doze away quickly. To enjoy a deeper sleep, she can choose from 5 natural sounds to soothe her: thunder, ocean, rain, summer night, or brook. The white noise setting is perfect to help her relax while she reads or works, and the auto timer can be set for 15, 30, or 60 minutes. The sound spa is lightweight and portable, perfect in any setting, from a home office to a nursery. Maria trusts Homedics, the established leader in wellness, to make her life easier and healthier, one innovative solution at a time.